Geobyte.
Friends, welcome to the Geobyte. In this video, let us discuss the solutions for the previous questions which were asked in different competitive exams. The questions I selected in this video come under science and technology. Look at the very first problem. The very first problem given like this. In the field of information and technology, what is the full form of ASC2? You are asked to decide the full form of ASC2. The very first option, American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. Option B, American Standard Code for Infrastructure Interchange. Option C, American Standard Communication for Information Interchange. Option D, American Standard Code for International Interchange. The correct answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option A is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the second problem. Was asked in 2001 for IAS. Who is the scientist in whose honor the Chandra X-ray telescope has been named? Option A, Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. Option B, Jagadish Chandra Bose. Option C, Prafulla Chandra Bose, Chandra Roy, Prafulla Chandra Roy. Option D, Subramanyam Chandrasekhar. The correct answer is option D, Subramanyam Chandrasekhar. I hope you got my point. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the third problem. It was asked in 2016 in JPSC. JPSC full form is Jharkhand Public Service Commission, like this. What is the name of the world's first private flight plan to go on the moon? Once again, what is the name of the world's first private flight planned to go on the moon? Option A, Moon Express. Option B, Moon Flight. Option C, Chandrayaan. Option D, Moon Mail. The correct answer is Moon Express. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the fourth problem. It was asked in 2007 for IAS, like this. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. Under list 1, person's name given: A, John C. Mather. B, Michael Griffin. C, Paul G. Allen. D, Pierce Sellers. Under list 2, co-founder of Microsoft. Second one, spacewalker. Third one, administrator of NASA. Fourth one, Nobel Prize winner 2006 in physics. You know, Nobel Prize winner 2006 in physics is John C method. Therefore, A4 correct. A4 correct. Michael Griffin is administrator of NASA. Paul G. Allen is co-founder of Microsoft. Pierre Sellers is a spacewalker. Therefore, the correct answer is A4, comma B3, comma C1 and D2. That is the correct answer. Look at the options. Look at the option C. A4, B3, C1, D2. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the fifth problem, asked in 1998 for IAS exam, like this. The satellite of which one of the following countries has helped in the preparation of a detailed and complete map of Antarctica? Option A, Canada. Option B, France. Option C, Russia. Option D, USA. The correct answer is Canada. Option A is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the sixth problem. Was asked in 2019 for SSC exam. It is like this. In 1974, the first nuclear test of Pokhran was code-named as option A, Dancing Buddha. Option B, Blessing Buddha. Option C, Smiling Buddha. Option D, Laughing Buddha. The correct answer is option C, Smiling Buddha. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the seventh problem, asked in 2016 for JPSC, like this. Project Loon is related to option A, waste management technology. Option B, wireless communication technology. Option C, solar energy production technology. Option D, water conservation technology. The correct answer is option B, wireless communication technology. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the eighth problem, asked in 2013 for JPSC exam, like this. If Landsat data for an area is received today, then the data for an adjacent area to its west will be available. Option A, in the next orbit of the satellite on the same day. Option B, next day at the same local time. Option C, after certain number of days at the same local time. Option D, after a variable controllable time. The correct answer is option C, after certain number of days at the same local time. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the ninth problem, was asked in 2007 for IAS exam. What is the Galileo project which has been in news recently? Once again, what is the Galileo project which has been in news recently? Option A, an inter-country program of missile shield developed by the United States of America. Option B, a project developed by India with assistance from Canada. Option C, an environmental protection project being developed by Japan. Option D, a multi-satellite navigation project being developed by the European Union. The correct answer is option D. Option D, a multi-satellite navigation project being developed by the European Union. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 11th problem, asked in 2007 for IAS exam. In the year 2001, NASA launched a spacecraft to Mars named as option A, Mars Climate Orbiter. Option B, Mars Global Surveyor. Option C, Mars Odyssey. Option D, Mars Polar Ladder. The correct answer is option C, Mars Odyssey. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 12th problem. Was asked in 1980 for IAS exam like this. Neil Armstrong was the first person to reach on the moon. While walking on the moon, option A, his mass remained the same but weight increased. Option B, his mass remained the same but the weight decreased. Option C, his mass as well as weight decreased. Option D, his mass increased but weight remained the same. The correct answer is option B, his mass remained the same but weight decreased. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 13th problem. Was asked in 1998 for IAS exam like this. The damage to the Spectre module of the Russian space station Mir was due to option A, collision with a Soyuz cargo ship. Option B, faulty material design of the Spectre module. Option C, explosion inside the space station. Option D, collision with an asteroid. The correct answer is option A, collision with a Soyuz cargo ship. Let us move to the next problem. The 14th problem was asked in 2016 for IAS exam like this. What is Greased Lightning 10 GL10 recently in the news? Option A, electric plane tested by NASA. Option B, solar powered two-seater aircraft designed by Japan. Option C, space observatory launched by China. Option D, reusable rocket designed by ISRO. The correct answer is option A, electric plane tested by NASA. Let us move to the 15th problem. Look at the 15th problem. Was asked in 2017 for IAS exam like this. What is the purpose of evolved laser Interferometer Space Antenna Project. Option A, to detect neutrinos. Option B, to detect gravitational waves. Option C, to detect the effectiveness of the missile defense system. Option D, to study the effect of solar flares on our communication system. The correct answer is option B, to detect gravitational waves. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 16th problem, asked in 2008 for IAS exam, like this. Selene 1, the lunar orbiter mission, belongs to which one of the following? Option A, China. Option B, European Union. Option C, Japan. Option D, USA. The correct answer is option C, Japan. Let us move to the 17th problem. Look at the 17th problem, asked in 1984 for IAS exam. The Indian Space Research Organization is situated at option A, Trivandrum. Option B, Bangalore. Option C, Ahmedabad. Option D, Tumba. The correct answer is option B, Bangalore. Let us take the next problem. Look at the 18th problem, was asked in 1980 for IAS exam. Which of the following statements is true? Option A, Bhaskara and Aryabhatta were put into orbit from a Chinese cosmodrome. Option B, Bhaskara and Aryabhatta were put into orbit from a French cosmodrome. Option C, Rohini 2 is going to be launched from Moscow. Option D, Rohini, the Indian satellite, was launched from Sriharikota. The correct answer is option D, Rohini, the Indian satellite, was launched from Sriharikota. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 19th problem, was asked in 2013 for JPSC exam. Which layer of the atmosphere is used for telecommunication? Option A, troposphere. Option B, thermosphere. Option C, stratosphere. Option D, ionosphere. The correct answer is option D, ionosphere. Let us move to the last problem. Look at the last problem, was asked in 2018 for Maharashtra Public Service exam, like this. Which of the following describes the geostationary orbit, that is GEO, correctly? Option A, altitude of 20,000 kilometers above the sea level and the orbital period is 12 hours. Option B, altitude of 36,000 kilometers above the sea level and the orbital period is 24 hours. Option C, altitude of 400 kilometers above the sea level and the orbital period is 90 minutes. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, altitude of 36,000 kilometers above the sea level and the orbital period is 24 hours. With this problem, I am concluding this video. In the next video, we will discuss some more important questions. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Have a great day.
GeoByte.